Welcome to our Learn Calligraphy in Quarantine series, hosted by Cece Artsy. It's me, Big Sissy, and I'll be joining you in learning the basics of modern calligraphy, and the video editing is done by Lil Sissy. I hope wherever you are right now, you are safe and sound, and we're glad that you're joining us in this journey in learning calligraphy. So let's start with this worksheet that we gave you for free. The link is in the description below. So it's our Basics of Modern Calligraphy worksheets, and it's on the basic strokes. So it's really important that you start with the basic strokes because it'll make and break your calligraphy journey. If you start your calligraphy journey right, it just gets smoother along as you go along this journey. So we'll be working with 4 writing instruments throughout our Learn Calligraphy in Quarantine series. And these are all materials that you can find at home. So it's a normal highlighter. We also will be teaching you how to use a pencil in doing calligraphy. And if you have a fine-tipped brush pen at home, you can also use that. We'll teach you how to use that. And our trusty old ball pen. And here it's a 0.5 point pen, and you can use any kind of pen you like. We recommend that you use gel pens, but if you don't have them, then any kind of pens can really work in doing calligraphy. So these are the 4 materials that we'll be using throughout this journey. I'll be teaching you a little bit on how to hold these materials so that when you watch so that when you start watching our videos, you already can jump right in. So for holding the highlighter, all you have to do is make sure that the pointy part is here at the bottom. So I'm holding it this way, so when you're following the strokes, you're supposed to put the pointy part at the bottom. Next one, for the pencil, I like to prepare my pencil by writing on a piece of paper and flattening out one side like that, so that one bit of my pencil is flat and then the other is pointy. So unlike the highlighter, when you're using a pencil, make sure that the pointy tip is on top. Okay, that's for the pencil. For a brush pen, you just have to hold it like a regular pen. No problem with that. And for a normal pen, you just have to hold it like a normal pen. And then you're all set. Now that you know how to hold these 4 different instruments, you can try on your own to follow the basic strokes here. There are black arrows telling you how to do the strokes. But we'll be going through each of these writing instruments in 4 different videos. So if you're interested in that, go watch the videos. They're all in our playlist. So thank you for joining us. I hope you have a lot of fun learning calligraphy in quarantine.